So you just got a Quest 2 and hate spending money? Well, here are 3 free VR games that are totally worth trying out on your Quest 2. First off is the Pavlov Shack Beta. Ever wanted to play Counter-Strike on the Quest 2? Well, Pavlov Shack offers a semi-comparable experience, and you can either play deathmatch or co-op modes. It's got all the realistic gunplay and fun of the paid PC VR title, going pretty strong with a free open beta on the Quest, and I just can't recommend this enough. The second one is Gun Raiders. There are a ton of free-to-play shooters out there, but Gun Raiders can promise an okay multiplayer action experience. There are a multitude of game modes that let you jetpack through the air, climb from wall to wall like a ninja, and shoot down the competition with your pro Fortnite skills. There are a bit of microtransactions like you see in the bigger games, but they're all just for avatar skins and stuff that really isn't pay to win, which is kinda nice to see, and it makes sense and helps the devs keep this game going free. Then in third place we got I Expect You to Die, Home Sweet Home. This comes from the same studio that brought you the award-winning puzzle game I Expect You to Die, this room-scaled mixed reality experience, Home Sweet Home, which offers up a fresh new way to defuse potential lethal situations, and all in the comforting backdrop of your own living room, thanks to the Quest Through Pass-Through mixed reality function. And if you're interested in checking out any of these games, you can find them right on the Quest 2 store. And if you know of any free-to-play games that you guys recommend, let me know down in the comments. Also, it's time to do a dog reveal. I know you guys have been asking me in the Discord server, but yes, here's my fierce McChicken hunting dog.